Good morning, everyone. Lauzani. Welcome to another episode of Igbanke dialect lecture. But today we will be doing names of animals. You know what we posted earlier? Somebody requested that we say the names in Igbanke. So today we'll be doing animals. And whichever name I call in Igbanke and you feel is not correct, please do where to write the correct one on the comment section. Of course, we are all learning. Thank you. Thank you, my wonderful Igbanke Amazon ladies, family, and fan. So our number one on the list is porcupine. 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 Ebiogun. Ebiogun. Porcupine. Elephant. Eyin. Elephant. Eyin. Butterfly. Akpupa. Butterfly. Akpupa. Rats. Okay. Rats. Okay. Donkey. Kete kete. Donkey. Kete kete. Frog. Ewo. Frog. Ewo. We all know what frog is. Frog. Ewo. Lion. Eworo. Lion. Eworo. Dog. Intite. Dog. Intite. Turkey. Tolo tolo. Turkey. Tolo tolo. Duck. Duck. Pepeye. Some people call it odoguma. Pepeye. Duck. Pepeye. Oh, OWL. Ozuzu. Oh, Ozuzu. Eagle. Ugo. Eagle. Ugo. Rabbits. Rabbits. Eletu. Rabbits. Fish. Azun. Fish. Azun. Crayfish. Crayfish. Ize. Crayfish. Ize. Snake. Snake. Agwo. Snake. Agwo. Ants. Ekpisin. Ants. Ekpisin. Pig. Ejin. Pig. Ejin. Cats. Meow. Cats. Meow. Grass cutter. AB. Grass cutter. AB. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay connected to Igbanke Amazon Ladies page. Ciao until we see some other time. Bye.